Under cell organization, we have a group of specialized cells having the same shape, which is also the structure and function, make up a tissue. So when you have a group of cells, a group of specialized cells which have got the same shape, which is also the structure, they make up a tissue. So a tissue is made up of a group of specialized cells which have the same shape, this and also the same function. Yes. So example of tissues are epidermis, the palisade tissue, sponge tissue, blood, epithelium, and also the bone tissue. A group of tissues performing a specific function make up an organ. So when you have a lot of tissues, they make up an organ. For example, of an organ is the roots, stems, leaves, liver, skin, uh, heart, brain, eyes, ear, kidneys, and lungs. What tissues make up each of these organs? What tissues make up each of these organs? So there's a question there. What kind of tissue make up each of these organs? For example, the liver. The liver is an organ of the body. Now, what kind of tissue make up a liver? Find the answer. A group of organs. Now we go to the organs. A group of organs. If you have a group of organs, why do they make? A group of organs, they make or performing a specific function make up a system. So examples of systems are vascular system, digestive system, excretory system, endocrine system, the nervous system, skeletal system, respiratory system, and the reproductive system. What organ make up each of these systems? For example, a system known as the respiratory system. What kind of organs make up respiratory system? Please find the answer and share with me. Then we have what organs make up. Okay, we have gone there. We have levels of cell organization may be summarized. We have the cells. From the cells, we make a tissue. We come up with tissue. So a group of cells make up a tissue. A group of tissues make up an organ. A group of organs make up the system. A group of systems make up organism. So a human being is an organism because it has got a lot of systems in us. We have the respiratory system, the nervous system, endocrine system, excretory system, reproductive system. They are all found into the human being. So we are organisms. We have the other thing here, which is known as transport across the cell membrane, which is diffusion, osmosis, as well as active transport. So from here, uh, we are told that substances enter or leave cells through the cell membrane using three main processes, which are diffusion, osmosis, as well as the active transport. So those are the only three ways in which substances enter as well as leave the cell the cell membrane. There's osmosis, diffusion, as well as active transport. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of particles from their region of higher concentration to their region of low concentration. Down concentration gradient. So then the factors that affect the rate of diffusion. The factors are number one is that the concentration gradient. This refers to the difference in concentration of particles between two regions. The higher concentration gradient, the faster the gradient, the diffusion rate. Then is the surface area of diffusion surface. The larger the surface area of the diffusion surface, the faster the rate of diffusion. Then the other one is thickness of diffusion surface. The thinner the diffusion surface, the faster the diffusion rate. And finally, we have size of diffusion particles. The bigger the diffusion particles, the slower the diffusion rate. The smaller the diffusion particles, the faster the diffusion rate.